Hello everyone. So today we'll try to install something on this air conditioning unit that the birds won't stay there anymore, doing a mess on my balcony. So as you can see, there is looking not so nice. So basically they sit above there, and yeah, I want to clean this, and instead we'll we'll install the spikes I bought. So there are some metallic spikes I have here, and we'll see if this will prevent the birds to stay during the night on this air conditioning anymore. So yeah, let's start. I will show how this looks from above. As you can see, they stay here, the bird. That's something I don't like. So we have to clean all this mess and install the spikes here, so that my balcony will be clean again. So yeah, I will continue. Okay, so I use some water, hot water with soap and some solution to clean the kitchen, and I was able to clean this part of the air conditioning. So now it's nice and clean, looks like new. And I will continue to clean also the walls here. As you can see, there are a lot of spots to clean. Also using some hot water and some soap maybe. And after that we will try to continue with the part where we put the spikes on top of the air conditioning. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, so now I finished to clean the walls, at least as much as I could. It's not perfect, but at least it looks better now. We still have some spots here which I cannot really remove, like this, where the paint was affected, but most of the mess is cleaned and it looks a lot way better now. And for sure a new paint should be, I should put a new paint on these walls once I finish everything maybe, but it's not important now. So now I'll continue to put the spikes, try to put them on top of the air conditioning. Yeah, we will continue. Okay, so now we continue cutting the spikes. So our AC unit has 25 centimeters like this. So we have 3 rows of spikes. This is 25, and we will have 70 centimeters length. So we can cut them at 70 centimeters. So we will make a sign here. So all of them we will cut at 70. I will take them one by one and I will cut them. Okay, let's take the first one. It's not so easy. Okay, so we have one. This is 70 centimeters. Take the next one, do the same. Okay, we have two, and least but not last, okay, so we have three. We have three of them. Sorry, one of them is down. Okay, and these are the three. Okay, I will make a test. I will check if the length is fine with one of them, and then we'll continue. Okay, now I want to show what we will use to keep them together. So we have this metal. This is, you can buy it for per meter or something. And I want to, because these spikes also have here holes, I can put some screws. Something like this. And then we can keep them together. And this metal should we will put the spikes, for example, on top here, and then this will be around the air conditioning to keep them together. So now I want to measure and put the spikes on top, and then take the form of the air conditioning and prepare this metal to be very fixed around the air conditioning. So I will do that next, and I can show you the result. Okay, now we will put the screws. We'll try to see if we can fit all of them in this metal sheet. So we will put one by one. So I will have three on this. I will have to count the holes to make sure they are aligned. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, so I will put my screw here. Okay, so we'll put a grover. I will show in a moment how this looks like. So you can see here, I hope it's focused. It's like this. So we'll put all of them like this, and then let's take the one in the middle. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 and 4. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. I have to put them on the air conditioning to see if they are if there is space enough between them, or if it's too much space, and then I will continue with the others. Okay, so the test was fine. I will mount now the second one, which will be in this part, or maybe I should reverse all of them. Okay, so we'll put this one. Okay, I'll mount the one in the middle. And the last one. Okay, so we have all of them. As you can see, we have them in this they will be like this. Okay, now I'll make also again a test, and then I will tighten up the screws. Okay, so I already installed it just to see how it looks like. As you can see, it looks good, and the spikes are on top, so no bird will stay there anymore. Let me show it how it looks from above. Okay, as you can see, we cover the entire area, and it also looks very bad, very good. Not bad, good. This I will tighten them up with some screws here in the lower side, but I just wanted to know if this will stay just fine here. Okay, so I'll continue to do some small adjustments, and then yeah, I think this will be ready. As you can see, I have two nuts here because I was afraid that the vibrations will yeah, open this, but there is also a groover there, so I hope everything is fine so it won't fall off. Okay, we will continue later. Okay, my work is done, so everything is in place and it's secured, it won't fall off. I can see this is not moving because I have screws here, all these three screws, and you cannot really move it. It stays really well there, you see. Okay, from above everything is good. You cannot move them. Okay, the spikes are moving, but there is no place for a bird to stay here anymore. So I hope this will stay here well and it will resist to the vibrations caused by this air conditioning. And I hope the birds won't do a mess anymore on my balcony. I will also have to clean everything down here again, but I think we did a really great job, and yeah, I'm happy with the results.